In this week's article, I go back to talking about nitrogen. And I talk about how we're going to use the right placement, one of the 4 R's, in increasing your nitrogen efficiency. Hi, I'm Mike Zwingman, Agronomy R&D Manager for Central Valley Ag. This is your Monday Agronomy Update video that coincides with the ReachOut article on the CVA blog site. One of the things we know about corn is it takes up about 63% of its nitrogen within 7 inches of the stalk. That's a lot of nitrogen, right? That's a lot of product that we need to get as close to that root zone as possible for you to maximize your efficiency, maximize your yield, and maximize your profitability. But whenever we talk about the 4 R's, I want us to talk about one more thing, the 3 P's, being predictive, being proactive, and being prescriptive. We've already talked about the predictive part. We know where nitrogen's being taken up from. We also know that later in the crop's growing season is when it really prefers and is really set up to take in nitrogen most efficiently. So we want to delay that fertilizer application to when we get into that V10 to V12 range to really maximize that use. These 2 things, the step of being proactive in placing and timing that differently, is really going to help us maximize our yield profitability. But at the same time, we need to be prescriptive. One of the ways that we can utilize variable rate nitrogen prescriptions is by using the machine behind me and using one of these. This is the 360 Yield Center Y-Drop. This is going to allow us to apply that nitrogen closer to the root zone and get it timed right later in the year and be able to run prescriptions. So not only will we be running the right R, we'll be maximizing the 3 P's. We'll be predictive, we'll be proactive, and we'll be prescriptive. This is one of the ways we're going to take some of that efficiency and put it back in your pocket. We're going to take some of that nitrogen use efficiency and we're going to make it work for you. This is a new tool for us here at Central Valley Ag. We're excited to bring it to you and trial it in some of our RD trials. We look forward to sharing that information with you at the end of the year and really moving forward with this platform as a way for us to become more nitrogen efficient. As always, be safe, and we'll see you next week.